Alright folks, welcome on board another one of our quick series of how to perform a certain task. So you ever wonder how do we divert to another airport on a VFR flight along the route? So we're flying along and Johnny in the backseat says, well Uncle Sonny, I have to pee and I can't hold it anymore. Well, okay, what do? Let's take a look at what options are there. So let's open up our FliGhtFlight. Here we are. Looks like the nearest airport we have. It's well, we have an airport almost directly underneath us, but that's Palmdale Air Force Unplanned, and we don't want to go in there because that seems quite troublesome. So let me see. It looks like we have a General William Fox Airfield, a little bit more towards our north. That seems like a suitable option. All right, let's see. Never been to the airport before, so let's see what kind of options available there. Alright, so it looks like the airport is suitable. Got plenty of runway for us to get into. Okay, so let's go and use that as our suitable option. So let's get the ATIS information first, just in case there are any issues that we need to know.
Las Vegas clearance is Challenger 52 Lima Mike requesting our clearance to Palm Springs.
Alright, here we go. Take a look at this. Fox Airfield ATIS information is 126.3, so let's go ahead and tune that in 126.3.
Challenger 52 Lima Mike, Las Vegas clearance cleared to Palm Springs Airport. Radar 2 departure, level transition as filed.
Activate COM 2.
Main climb vehicle. And squawk 2372.
Temperature 14. Dew point -18. Altimeter 3042. Arriving and departing runway 6. Visual approaches in use. Read backhaul runway assignments and short instructions. Advise on the contact you have information with
frequency 2372 in the squawk.
Fox Airfield, ATIS information with
32 Lima Mike, read back correct if the departure frequency is omitted and you're assigned a SID. That means the correct frequency is listed on the chart. If you needed those, 125.9er.
Alright, here we go.
Sweet.
So,
thanks for the help.
looks like we got altimeter 3042 information whiskey and using runway 6. So I punch in a 3042 on our altimeter.
Twinsessa 7 Charlie Papa, contact circle approach 134.2.
1342, 7 Charlie Papa.
Alright, so how do we make the request to get into the airfield? Well, step 1. If you're on flight following...
Twinsessa 7 Charlie Papa, 9.3 for 10,000.
So step 1, if you're on...
77 Charlie Papa, SoCal Bridge, Burbank, altimeter 3025.
3025, thank you.
So step 1, if you're on flight following, like we are here, then what you do, you will cancel flight following with the air traffic control. So let's go ahead and do that now. Joshua approach Diamond 4710, Fox would like to terminate flight following.
10 Fox operator services terminated, squawk V5 frequency change approved.
Yeah, 10 Fox. Alright, here we go, squawk VFR. And now we got information whiskey, and let's go ahead and turn to control tower 11852. Fox Tower 11852. I got 11852. Very good. Okay. And let's go and
47 Mike, taxi to parking
give
via
them a call,
Bravo,
and also we're gonna start our descent here.
Taxi to Park
Now
via
notice
Bravo.
the
Thank you.
view elevation is, we're looking at 2,351 feet. So we've got some altitude to lose here, so we're gonna fly a little bit more towards the west of the airport and plan our way in. Alright, let's go ahead and make our initial call out. So who are we, where are we, and what do we want? So looking back at the fall flight here, we're about 6 miles to the northwest, and we got information whiskey. And what do we want? We want a full stop. Okay. And Fox Tower, Diamond 4710, Foxtrot, about 6 miles to the northwest. We got information whiskey requesting full stop.
4710 Foxtrot, Fox Tower, and you're coming into land, correct?
Affirmative, looking for full stop, 10 Foxtrot.
4710 Foxtrot, are you able to straight in runway 6 or you need a base?
We need a base, 10 Foxtrot.
Roger, just confirm you're from the northwest of the field?
Affirmative, northwest of the field.
10 Foxtrot, join left base, runway 6, clear to land, wind 06010, gust 20.
Okay, John, left base, runway 6, and runway 6 clear land, Diamond 4710 Foxtrot. Alright, so she's at left base, so we're gonna go this way, join the left base, and then left turn on final, runway 6. Looks like I got the fuel in sight at about our 10 o'clock. Maybe it's like, yeah.
200.
Okay, approach stabilized, continue landing, clearance received. Final check items, gear down, flaps down, aircraft configured for the landing.
100.
And go flaps up. And that's how we do it. Welcome to Fox View, everybody.